Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Cache app not working on iPhone after update iOS 17 and 16. How to fix this issue on iPhone. So I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So let's get started. So do not waste any time. So guys, fix this issue. How can fix this issue? So first of all, you have update the cache app. You have open the app store, and then you have click on search bar, and then you have search bar cache app, and then you have must be check any update on app on iPhone. You have update app, and then other solution, you have fixed the internet connection. You have checked the internet connection must be, you have 100% working internet connection on your iPhone. The another solution, you have restart your iPhone. If there are cache app not working, then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. Volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo uh, screen on your screen. Then 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. And then other solution, you have delete cache app and reinstall, and then you have delete the cache app and then reinstall from app store. And then last solution, you have reset network setting. Then you have open the setting, and then you have scroll up, then click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset network setting, and iPhone given a passcode. And then do not any lose of data, only reset network setting on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Cache app working 100% on your iPhone. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Khuda Hafiz.